Well, we have to do the newspapers, but before then, let's give you the latest update coming from a site that is also infographics at channelnewsasia.com. It's where you can get all the latest updates as far as where the cases are traveling in relation to the coronavirus outbreak or the epidemic itself. Let's start from Africa. And again, we still have 3 countries where we can say the cases have been reported, but the cases have now increased in Africa. We have Nigeria still with one confirmed case. Algeria, however, has 3. Egypt now has 2. It tells you that we have 5 or 6 confirmed cases, 5 in Northern Africa, and just beneath the Sahel, Sub-Saharan Africa, we have Nigeria. And we're being told that so far the border patrols, the health authorities in Sub-Saharan Africa especially have taken the caution as serious as they could, and we'll bring you all the latest in relation to that. Let's take you through Arabia and go straight to Europe, go through the Mediterranean as it is in a virtual means, and we'll take you to Europe. You'll also get to know what the latest cases are in relation to what you need to know, and frontally making sure that they tackle this head on. The health authorities in the UK, the rest of Europe are taking this seriously. Look, when it comes to Europe, it's where we have to focus on Italy. And you would know that the team, Juventus, champions over the last couple of years for the Italia Liga, they've suspended the play itself, and then also the team has been quarantined, and so you get to find that in that El Clasico match between we have Real Madrid and also Barcelona, you'll find Cristiano Ronaldo, an integral member of the Juventus squad in the stadium, and it's where we have 1,694 confirmed cases, showing you an increment, and then also we have 34 reported deaths. And I have to say this, apart from China, it's where we have some of the biggest cases outside that big country, and shows you how perhaps the Italian health authorities have been overwhelmed with the number of cases so far. But incrementally, the cases have been coming in. We have United Kingdom reporting some 36 cases. Spain recording some 58 confirmed cases, no reported deaths though. France, however, has 100 cases, 2 reported deaths. And then just nearby in the Principality of Monaco, we do have 1. And then we have Luxembourg, 1 as well. Germany, a big powerhouse in the European Union, has 117 cases. And we have the Netherlands, Holland, as we tend to call them, 7 cases so far. So we have 14 for Austria, and a couple of them just scattered around Europe. But we'll take you to the epicenter, that is go to Asia, where we have some of the biggest cases, because you have to just do a scan of what the cases are, and you get to know that, look, it is big. China has seen a surge in the cases, but we're told that is the slowest they've recorded over the last couple of weeks, since January actually. And if you listen to the BBC, you also watch the BBC, get all the latest updates indicating that even though the cases have been incremental, they've been slow compared to the day-to-day or the week-to-week cases they had been reporting since they had those major international reports coming in that China was the epicenter. And you get to find that this gives you real-time data. 80,026 confirmed cases so far, 2,912 reported deaths. The deaths are increasing, but not at the rate as was being reported in January. And Hong Kong, which is nearby, is reporting 95 confirmed cases, still 2 deaths so far. Shows you how they're managing the case or the cases when they trickle in. Nearby Taiwan, 40 confirmed cases, only 1 reported death. And Philippines has 3 confirmed cases, 1 dead. Vietnam has 16, no deaths so far. Cambodia, same, no deaths so far with only 1 case. Thailand, however, has some 43 confirmed cases. Again, just 1 death being confirmed there. And so it tells you about what is being done globally. Malaysia, which is a big hub, if we have to go up, a big hub when it comes to the economy of Asia as well, especially in the southeast section of the continent of Asia, has some 25 confirmed cases. And Singapore, because of the throughput of many travelers, because it's a hub, an economic hub in Asia, and that the island country is reporting some 106 confirmed cases. They tend to have very long-haul flights from China to Singapore, and then they also tend to have a lot of touristic flights coming in from Dubai especially. And Mama View also just returned before the beginning of the year, telling us about the things that had gone on, and she'll bear witness about. We'll ask her very soon what the throughput of travel is when it comes to Singapore. They have recorded 106 cases. And now that sums up what we need to know by way of the latest. Look, let's straight away click onto what the numbers are. So we'll get to the reported numbers, and straight away onto your screens we have them. China, again, 80,026 cases, reported deaths, 2,912 real-time cases. So you scan through. South Korea is next. Then we have Italy. And out of Asia, it's Italy that's reporting the cases. Very scary, I tell you. Very, very scary. Iran, which had its deputy health minister infected, has 979 cases, 54 deaths so far, and just come through and you'll get to know where the cases are. Please make sure that you get all the latest, just in case you want to log on to the site infographics.channelnewsasia.com and talking about where you can log on. Please make sure you log on to myjoyonline.com. All these latest figures are also right there for you.